Is your YouTube channel suddenly acting like it's stuck in suspended animation, and you're not sure why? Let's find out. First up, head to your YouTube Studio dashboard. This is your mission control for everything YouTube related. Look closely at your recent video performance. Are your views, watch time, and subscriber counts significantly lower than usual? Compare the last 48 hours to the previous period. If you see a drastic dip, it's a red flag. Next, dive deeper into YouTube Analytics. Click on the Analytics tab in your left-hand menu. Here's where the story really unfolds. Check the Reach and Engagement tabs, focusing on impressions, click-through rate, and audience retention for your videos. A sudden drop across these metrics could indicate a potential freeze. Now consider policy violations. Have you recently uploaded a video that might have pushed the boundaries of YouTube's community guidelines? Copyright strikes or guideline violations can severely impact your channel's visibility. Check your email and YouTube Studio for any notifications. YouTube's algorithm is constantly evolving. If your content is too consistent, algorithm may have shifted, prioritizing different types of videos. It happens. Analyze recent trends in your niche and see if your content still aligns with what's currently popular. Consider refreshing your approach to match with the latest trends. Lastly, engagement is key. Take a look at your comments section. Are you still getting comments, or has the engagement dried up along with the views? Even if YouTube hasn't penalized you, a lack of engagement can hurt your performance in the long term. Respond to comments and engage with your audience. If you suspect a freeze, don't panic. Focus on creating high quality, engaging content that adheres to YouTube's guidelines. Be patient and consistent. Sometimes the algorithm just needs a little nudge.